Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at something exciting for all you truck enthusiasts, the 2025 Ram 1500. It's been given a fresh update with some sleek new styling and perhaps most notably, a brand new powertrain. Ram's famous Hemi V-8 is gone, but don't worry because they've replaced it with a powerful twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, and it's coming in two different flavors. One with 420 horsepower and another with a beastly 540 horsepower. But that's not all. Ram is gearing up to bring some big updates to their heavy-duty lineup for 2025, and they've even teased us with some sneak peeks. First off, let's talk about the new design. The Ram HD trucks have always had that rugged, tough guy look, and while they've kept that, they've also made things a bit more modern. The front end looks sharper with new, slimmer headlights that are split into two parts and integrated into the grille. On the off-road oriented Rebel model, which you can see in this video, the grille is completely blacked out, giving it a bold, almost mask-like appearance. And the lower bumper design looks like that's staying pretty much the same as from the previous model, which makes sense. It's already pretty solid. Around the back, the taillights have been simplified a bit with C-shaped LED lights, but otherwise not too many changes there. Along with the Rebel, there's a shot of three more trucks, a white one that's probably a base tradesman model with a simpler, no-nonsense grille and halogen headlights instead of LEDs. And then there's a flashy red truck with some more luxurious touches. This red truck might be one of the higher-end trims like the Laramie or Longhorn. Based on that chrome grille and color-matched body panels, it's definitely going for that premium vibe. Now, Ram is keeping quiet about the technical details for the HD models for now, but don't worry, we'll get a full reveal soon. There's been some speculation that the heavy-duty models might get the same gas-powered twin-turbo inline-six that we see in the light-duty 1500, but don't count out the 6.4-liter V8 just yet. It's likely to stick around for those who need that heavy-duty muscle. And of course, the Cummins diesel 7-liter inline-six is definitely staying in the lineup. Will it get any performance boosts? We'll have to wait and see, but it's always fun to guess. The 2025 Ram 1500 got some big tech upgrades inside, and it's safe to assume these will carry over to the HD models too. The standard 8.4-inch touchscreen from the previous year has been replaced by a new 12.0-inch display, and if you really want to go big, there's an even larger 14.5-inch screen available. Plus, for the front seat passenger, Ram is offering a 10.3-inch display on the dash so they can control their own entertainment or navigation. So there you have it, folks. Ram hasn't dropped all the details yet, but we'll keep you posted as soon as they do. What do you think? Are you excited to see the new Ram HD models? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Until next time, and stay tuned.